Hi, and welcome to another episode of What Would You Do on Matt's Garage. I'm restoring this 1966 Ford Bronco, and I keep running into little things, and I just think to myself, what would everybody watching do if they were in my shoes? So I'm going to bring you a close-up on this door and get your advice. It looks to my eye that somebody smashed this mirror and pulled the sheet metal up and out of the way, and then filled it with a very soft, almost like a caulking. You know, when I push in it, my thumb goes into it. It feels like rubber cement, really. There you go. And this is loose here. So, given that situation, I have a few options. I could buy a new door because everything's just so cheap and people are giving away money. I could dig out this caulking, clean up the edge, bend it back into place, and then run a lot of amperage through a tiny wire that grounds this to a ground connection. And then grind that down, prime it, and then paint it with a reasonably close color. I could just ignore it. What would you do?